Section 17. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a vowel. The sound is A. A for umbrella. I want you to find the letter A on page 17 in your workbook. Page 17 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound A, the same as the one on the board. Say the sound and words after me. A, A. A for under. A for up. Let's read it again. A for under. A for up. We're going to practice writing the sound A. Put your finger on the first A. I'm going to show you how to write the sound A. We start at the top, down to the bottom, round up and down to the bottom again. I'm going to show you again. We start at the top, down, round up and down. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the letter A. Now that you have traced the first letter A, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second letter A. I'm now going to show you how to write the sound. We start at the top, we go down to the bottom, round, up and down again. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the second A. Now that you have traced the second slide, please put your finger on the last slide. I'm going to show you how to write the last slide. We start at the top, we go down, round, up and back down again. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the last A. Now that you have practiced writing the sound A, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the sound A, you can color in the umbrella. A for umbrella. I use an umbrella when it rains. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 18.